Hey everybody, welcome back to Mighty Crafts, and today we are going to be making a small flood infection form out of clay. And this is baked clay, that's the actual brand right there. I have a bunch of this stuff, and I thought making a little flood infection form would be kind of cool. I made them a tad bit big compared to these Halo Mega Block figures, but I still think this thing actually turned out really good for not a huge amount of effort. I mean, it serves the part, it looks like it, and that's really all you gotta do. And I just broke it. I broke a leg. That's okay, we can glue that back on. So be a little bit more careful with it than I am, obviously. But the Flood is basically a organism in Halo that will go around and infect the Covenant and the humans, and they're basically zombies, right? So I wanted to make a little bit for a diorama, the idea that I have, so I figured I would show you guys how to make one, and then I'll probably be making some more off camera. But yeah, anyway, so if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoy the video. Alright guys, so I'm using clay, and I don't really ever use clay, so this is a nice little mix-up instead of the styrofoam, even though I do have a piece of styrofoam right there. But we're just molding and shaping this piece right now, and this piece is kind of pretty simple to mold. You just make it into like a point or a skull, like a pointy skull head kind of shape, and then we're going to take the toothpick and start wrapping it around. Then we're cutting off a few more pieces for the tendrils or tentacles, whatever you really want to call them, the pieces that stick out of the face. There are normally about 3 to 4 of these on the front of these things, and then we're doing the legs. This piece was not hard to make at all. It just took me probably 10 minutes to make the body, and then I had to put it in the oven for around 15 minutes. But honestly, I think it turned out really, really well. This is how I attached it to the sheet pan. I got the sheet pan at Goodwill if you need a sheet pan to bake with. And then we're painting it a sand color. This sand color is just the same colors I've been using. Craft paint, 50-cent craft paint. Really cheap, really easy, but it works out. Now we are going to be hitting it with a dry brushing of red, and the red kind of has like this veiny look on it, and that's what they look like in the game, so I made sure to add plenty of that all the way around it, but made it also very light. Then we added a dark wash, like we do with pretty much everything. This grabs out all the grooves, and that's it. Enjoy. So don't break the leg like I did, but honestly, this thing's actually pretty sturdy. I've dropped it a few times and it hasn't broken. I just need to get a little super glue and tag that piece right back on there, but it is for a diorama. I wouldn't play with these, but yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed the little making of this guy. I think he looks pretty sweet. I'm not going to do like the black panoramic shot. Don't really see a point in that too much because he is super small, but I think he looks pretty good. If you have any ideas of what I should do on my channel next, let me know in the comment section down below, and I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will catch you guys next time. See ya.